Chesna. Hi, welcome back to Hostpark CA channel and back to exclusive tutorial for artificial intelligence. And today we are going to see the topic called 8% problem. How to solve 8% problem without heuristic. So in the previous sessions I explained about some of the algorithm like BFS, that is bidirectional graph, and whatever that DFS and so on. You can check in any time playlist. This is the tutorial approved for clear the UGC net and framed based on the recent syllabus. So you have now, this is a 8% problem without heuristic. First point, this is the blind search, that is uninformed. So and also it may follow the BFS, that means breadth first search also. Uninformed means what? There is no guide, nothing. We have to search all the possibilities and there will be guarantee of giving solution for the given problem. Let's assume that you have the slices like that. That I have numbers of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 5, 8. And now this is the initial start node and goal node. What is our goal node? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now how do I achieve this one? And what kind of way I can follow? With how many child you want and how many success node you can go and move it. So we are now, how do you solve the 8% problem? This is the uninformed search. There is no much guarantee here, but we can get the optimal solution with the help of directions. 4 moves is important here. Legal moves, that is called up, another is down, another is called left, another is right. So these 4 steps will be helpful to achieve this 8% problem. So let's start the problem here. So first I am going to do with left mode. So right, first I am going to apply right method, then I am going to use the up method, another one is the down method. So how do you know? So these are the where the gap is coming, slice coming, we can move it here. So first I am going to use the right. So what will happen means 1, 2, 3 followed, then 4 I am moving to right and followed by 6 and 7, 5, 8 same places. Then next I am going to opposition. So what will happen? 2, 3 will be there and 1, 4, 6 will be there and 7, 5, 8 as soon as. And next down method. If you approach the down method, it will be like this. Moving here 1, 2, 3, 7, 4, 6 and 5, 8 very easily. Now how do you explore it? You can explore with the child mode because our almost goal node is this only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is till now we are not achieved. So we can explore the nodes here with the child node. Now I can do left right method. Now I can go again left method. So left method here. So if I apply means what happen? Moving 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6 5 will move here. 6 will be here and 7 space will be there. And another left applying means what will happen? 1, 2, 3 like this only. Then 4 will be there and 5 moved down. So I am again applying left to right method. What we are seeing here, up, down, left, right. These methods only we have to follow and move the cases here. Then after that, if you go another method, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4 will be moved here, right side, so left side, then you will get 7, 5, 8. Now one more option, we can, instead of this method, we can directly explore it. If you directly explore, what happen? 1 will be here, 3 will be here, and moving 2 here, 2 to the middle. Then 4 will be here and 6 will in the same position. At last 7 will be here, 5 will be here, 8 will be here. Very easy here. So I am moving only 2. This is one direct method we can do. And here, what you will get in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So almost we are reaching the goal node here. So how to do it? So we can again follow the left method. So I can apply the left operation. So we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the 7, 8. Just I am moving left here. Then is right, yeah, left here. And again we can do follow the same thing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Now I am moving to the 7 right side, left to right move I am doing. So I told you can do any move, but out of this only I have to do. So we will get 7, 8. So we are almost reaching the goal node. Like that you can try all possibilities. The drawback of 8% problem with heuristic you can do easily. Without heuristic what? You can try all possibilities where get the solution. Definitely we get the solution, but it take time consuming process. And I already explained in the previous classes what is BFD, that is branch factor, order of branch factor. So that is branch and depth. So how many levels will be there? Depth here 0, 1, depth 0, depth 1, depth 2 and depth 3. So whenever you want to such operation, what you can do, you can check all the possibilities and whenever you reach your goal node, you can stop the operation either here or here. Or if you want, you can extend this also. Now we can calculate some information here. Now let's assume that you have one empty slice. What are the possibilities? Let's assume that you have 4 moves here. 1, 2, 3. So if you have only 4 moves, just assume that only 4 moves, what happened? We can do only 2 moves. So I am writing is equal to, I am following some order of before D here. So I am writing 4 into 2. Let's assume that next I have only 3 moves. 1, 2, 3. So if you have 3 ties, you are how many options are moving here? That is 2 only. So I am writing 4 into 3. Sorry, 4 into 3. 3 options I am writing 4 into 3 here. At last. So now assume that I have only 1. So this moving. So 4 into 2 and 4 into 3. At last you have only. Let's assume that here we have dollar symbol. So 1 means what? Only one option. So 1 is can chance to move here. 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So I am writing 1 into 4. Directly I have been writing 4 here. Now by 9. What is the use of 9 here? Because how many slices here totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally 9 slices. I am writing the ties number 9. Total number of ties. So if you calculate, what you will get? So 4 into 2, 8. Then plus 4 into 12 plus 4. That is 24.9. We will get approximately 2.6. That is 3. The approximately 3. So how, if you achieve this operation, what is the time consuming the drawback? And you have to try 3 out of 3 4 of 20 possibilities. So many times you have to try. So 8% is the general and basic method we can apply for the artificial intelligence just for understanding purpose. So these are the points. These are about the 8 puzzle problem. The upcoming session I explain the 8 puzzle problem without with heuristic and so on. Thanks for watching. Please support our channel.